Hi boys, it's September 16th. We're at Haywood Dove Field, and we're gonna try to shoot some up today. It's my first time out this year. Daddy's done been out here 2 or 3 times and shot. I've been in school and working, so it's been tough. So anyway, I done seen probably 10 birds just while we was getting in here. We're in the sunflower. I know there's been birds in here, but we're gonna try to shoot them up. That's the plan anyway. I ain't got a barrel cam today. Tacticam kind of took a dump on me, but we'll try to get as much of it with the GoPro as we can. Got a little mojo out here to our left. Maybe that'll draw them in there. Who knows? Probably don't even need it, but I'm gonna let that old SX4 bark today. I hope it's overcast or to push these birds down a little bit. If y'all want to, go subscribe to the channel. Leave this video a like. Follow me on social media. Instagram is BossRoss50 and my TikTok, taterridgetv. We put out some pretty cool stuff. So let's get ready. One down. Ah, oh, old dove. First dove of the year right there. More high brass Rio, son, they can't tote them. Get two birds coming. Come on. What you gonna do? Here you come. Here you come. Get up, bird. Get up, bird. Up, bird. Get up. Bunch of birds. Low bird. Here they come. Now these birds flying. Look, there's 6 or 8 of them right there. Just gotta stay still. Them come in here on me, they're just too low. Low bird, get up, bird. Yeah, I could have shot that one, but when they're on the horizon like that, you just don't know what's right down there. So there ain't no sense in shooting somebody in the head over a dove. I didn't touch it. Didn't touch him. Got some powder in my eye though. Powder in the eye never feels good. He got that and I shot over that one. There he come. Here come 2. Look, watch him go over that power line. Shit. There we go. Here you go, brother man. I got one of yours. I got one of yours back there. There's one of mine. We'll trade. You shot one of them over yonder and he fell over beside me.
Oh, all right. I thought he went on over the hill.
It looked like he did, but he just killed off there.
I reason I didn't go up there.
Yeah, he didn't. But, so.
All right, thank you.
That'll work. That boy shot one, and it didn't look like he hit it. It just come by me and fell over dead. So I picked it up, and I shot one, gave it to him. So that's how that works out. Did you see him fall, brother?
No, I didn't catch it.
Come here. Bird coming over the field. Good shot. I probably couldn't have said, wouldn't have to say nothing. That thing would have come right to me. That's okay though. He smoke poled that thing. Dang. That ain't too good shooting right there, Papa. It was a little far, but still, I should have hit them. Yeah, that was not good shooting on my part. Dang, what the hell? Like I pricked a feather off of him, and that was it. That is not good. Them's killable birds too. What the heck? He smoked that one. Dang it, Bobby. Here we go. Right down the hatch. Let's see if one of them operates. That's a high bird. That thing's way up there. I almost went through a box of shells and got 3 birds. That's not good. Well, there's one thing for sure. I'm going to have to shoot better if I want to get out of here with more than 3 birds. That's just pitiful. I mean, they're not the best shots ever, but they're killable. I keep catching these dragonflies out of the corner of my eye. One of them's about to get shucked. Here comes 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what they do. Dang, that can come out over my head. Here we come. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got that one. I mean, I peppered that. He got the full load. That poor little thing there ain't gonna be fit to eat. Nope. I don't know what they're shooting at, but I ain't seen it yet. There it is. Good shooting, Ross. Pulled about 7 foot in front of him. Ain't no wonder you missed. Hell yeah, burn him down. Burn him down. And then my second shot went about 7 foot over him. I might start standing up. Just sitting down shooting ain't doing it for me. Come on. Come on. I hit that one. See, that's what happens. You walk right to them and then crazy heather standing underneath my feet.
You're 5, 4.
That didn't come in like a banshee. I said that didn't come in like a banshee. I missed. Well, I think we've got 8. Our shooting has improved a little bit, but I don't know if I'm leading them too far or just not enough. It seems like I hit them and then they kind of coast like I've hit them in the butt or something. Old Randy back there, son, he's been pouring the coal. He's a good shooter, and so is he. That fella in front of me. Birds are starting to pick up now. It's 16:08, so it's time. There's been several good groups of birds come through, but we're slowly chopping away at a limit. We've shot way too many shells to not have more birds, but it's my first shoot of the year. I'm a little rusty. I should have close to 15 with as many as I've shot at. It's all good. Dang, there went one right over my head. Where'd you come from? Here you come, here you come, here you come. Come on, baby. I clipped him that first shot. And then the second shot gave him the whole load. We got 2 working right to the pump house, baby. Why are you turning? What are you turning for? That was a pretty good shot. I had to lead that in a long ways. He was cooking. Don't let anyone ever tell you that this filming stuff is easy. My battery goes dead, and I bet I had 3 or 4 different doves fly right over my head. I mean, within like 10 yards. And I couldn't shoot any of them just because I had the camera in my hand trying to change the battery. That was a slow flyer there. I didn't have to lead him much. Birds, middle of the field. That's crazy. I led both of them birds the exact same way. Got one of them. Here comes a 2-pack. What are you gonna do? You're gonna come right over me, ain't you? No, well, yeah. There we go. Yeah, like I said, if I can find him, there he is. Hello, number 15. Oh, hello. Go on to the spirit world. I want your breast. I need your breast. Oh, that almost seemed like a work. Well, boys, we limited out. It took us 2 boxes, but we got her did. There was a really big influx of birds there this last 30 minutes or so, but could we have shot better? Absolutely. Could we have had more fun? No, man, this is a blast. Hey, Wood, if you're seeing this, man, I sure do appreciate you letting us come down here and hunt, man. I tried to call Dad. I don't know how many he's got. He probably got close to, well, I see his mojo out there. His phone's dead. I tried to call him. But anyway, guys, we're going to wrap this up. I appreciate y'all watching. Leave this video a like if you want to. And as always, subscribe to the channel. There goes more doves. And I'm going to quit talking to myself because people are starting to stare. See ya.
Look at him.
Talk to him.
All right, we've been down here in Georgia
on the fine dove field. Mr. Haywood put us on. I think we got our limit close to it. Had a great shoot. These boys here. What's your name?
Everett.
Everett what?
Everett. Christian. James Turner.
How many did you pick up today?
5.
He got 5. He's a fine bird hunter. Give me 5, man.
I'm 5 years old.
Anyway, we want to thank Mr. Haywood for having us down here. This is part of Tater Ridge here. I'm busting them.
How many shells did you shoot?
I shot, I didn't shoot about 2 boxes. I think I killed a limit, maybe. That's pretty good for a fat boy.